be free.
Hello everyone and welcome to Batang Bulaga Kami, and here is the grand winner of Female Classic Loans of Eat Bulaga, and she is Jean Jordan Bina, naka-voice ni Karen Carpenter.
So many roads to choose.
So pisa pa lang alam ng mga viewers who's gonna win on this round, at di naman nagkamali ang lahat. Kahit ang nag-judge sa kanya, pinabilib niya dahil yung hagod ni Karen Carpenter ay huwang-huwa niya. And congratulations to you, Jean Jordan.
And when the evening comes, we smile.
For full video, visit the official channel of Eat Bulaga. Salamat!